In this lesson, we'll learn how to add and delete rows in a repeater. First, drag a repeater card onto the canvas. Then add a button and label it Add Rows. Copy this button and change its label to Delete Row. Next, add an click interaction to the first button and choose the Add Rows action. Import an image into the first column and add text to the other columns. Add another row by importing an image and entering text again. Add an click interaction to the second button, select Delete Rows, and choose Row Hash as the option. In the input field, specify the row number to delete. Use commas to separate multiple row numbers if you want to delete multiple rows. Enter 1 to delete the first row. Copy this button and set row to row instead. Select the repeater and you'll see that the second column is labeled Heading. We'll delete a row where the heading is Heading 3. In the repeater expression, enter item heading equals heading 3. Make sure to include double brackets on both sides. Preview the prototype. Click the Add Rows button to add 2 rows to the repeater. Click the Delete Row button and the first row will be deleted. Click the Delete Heading 3 button and the row with Heading 3 in the heading column will be deleted.